Hey everyone, if you're tired of feeling hot and sweaty during the summer, dealing with bulky fans or expensive ACs that make too much noise, then you need the Whsper Mini Portable Bladeless Fan, the ultimate personal cooling solution for 2026. This compact, powerful bladeless fan uses advanced air multiplier technology to deliver smooth, strong, and safe airflow without any spinning blades, making it perfect for kids, pets, and travel. It features multiple speed settings, a long-lasting rechargeable battery, USB-C fast charging, a handy carry clip or stand design, and even a misting option in some models for extra cooling power. Super lightweight and portable, you can take it anywhere: desk at work, bedroom at night, car commutes, gym workouts, or outdoor trips. Thousands of customers are loving how quickly it cools them down, helps them sleep better, stay focused, and beat the heat without high electricity bills or annoying noise. Whether you're working from home, traveling, or just surviving hot days, the Whsper Mini Portable Bladeless Fan is your go-to summer essential. Right now there's a huge summer sale with buy two get one free and big discounts, so don't miss out. Click the link below to grab yours today and stay cool and comfortable all summer long. Your new favorite gadget is waiting.